I hope you had a great Labor Day. I'm Eric Peterson, owner and founder of Proven Realty, brokered by EXP, and this is your monthly Watford City real estate market report. Right now, the estimated average value of all houses in the market, according to Crexi, is $308,000 in the Greater Watford City area. That's a change over the last month of 2.3% on average. The last 3 months, it's been up 1.16%. Over the last year, the same increase of just under 2%. And more importantly, over the last 2 years, it's up 14.99% for the average property value in Greater Watford City. So what has that done over the last 3 years? It's up 5.51%. Doesn't sound like a lot, but remember that was right after COVID hit. And Watford City is one of the best drilling counties in all of America. So not surprising that as soon as COVID hit, as soon as oil went negative $38 a barrel, those property values in Watford went down further than some of the more stable areas. But right now, the fact that over the last 36 months, it's up 5.51% is pretty impressive. The average sale price of the houses that are coming on the market in Watford City is $346,000. That's down a little bit from the high of a couple of months ago, but over the last month, that number has increased by 24%. So the average price that's hitting the market right now, the average sale price of homes, is up almost 24% over the last month. Over the last 3 months, 4%. And over the last 12 months, the average sales price has more than doubled to 103%. And over the last 2 years, the average sale price of houses that are on the market, as you can see, 15.3% higher. That's pretty darn incredible and really speaks to the resiliency of the Watford City housing market. So what about houses that are currently on the market? There's not many of them, but those that are on there right now, the average is $395,000. That's down about 5% from a month ago, as some of the more affordable houses got gobbled up in the market, and we've actually went under contract on several in that $400,000, $500,000, even $600,000 range. Pretty amazing considering that interest rates are at 20-year highs. 20-year highs. So if you think about that, interest rates last week were the highest level they've been in over 2 decades. And more impressively though, the average list price over the last 12 months is now up 20% higher. Even more impressively is the average list price in Watford City compared to a year ago is up over 20% from a year ago. That's pretty phenomenal. And then really equally impressively is the fact that it's up over 32% over the last 2 years, the average list price. So if you're a buyer right now, wondering should I be locking in today? What should I be doing with these higher interest rates? What you really need to do is take a look at the statistics, take a look at the inventory, figure out where the momentum in the market is going. And as you can see, the rest of the country is slowing down right now. People are flooding back to North Dakota to change their financial lives. And in some cases, they were told, we can't not evict you if you don't pay your mortgage. They had bad advice. They've now got foreclosed in other areas. They're coming back to rent apartments. Most of the apartments, man camps, and some of these other housing situations are full. So what's happening right now, there's a lot of demand for the small number of homes we currently have on the market, and it's a game of musical chairs. So if you're thinking about selling, now is the perfect time to bring your house onto the market. Inventory is tight. It's still a seller's market. And even though houses are selling about 92 to 93% of list price, there's still a lot of deals going on right now. If you're a buyer and you're wondering, what do I do now? Are interest rates going to continue to increase? How do I go ahead and protect myself in a increase of interest rate environment? You can always refinance. So what you really want to do is lock in now, capture that price, lock in that interest rates. We really believe that the Fed's going to shoot interest rates up again, and we're going to be seeing mortgages over 8% by the end of the year. So lock in now, get that house under contract to a level that you can afford and a payment that you're comfortable with, and then watch historically as equity has been growing, as the stats will prove in the Watford City area because of increased prices of oil, which is now pushing $90, more and more people moving to the market. And more specifically, there's not a lot of new construction going on, and the construction that has been coming on the market has been going really quickly. So if you have any questions about that, if you need some hand-holding, if you need some help, give us a call at Proven Realty. We'd be happy to help you find the best deal on a property that meets your needs. More importantly, we've done over 500 transactions since COVID and over $250 million of sales. So if you have any questions on how to negotiate to get yourself the best deal, give us a call at Proven Realty. We'd be happy to help.